Listen to Dominion World Today with God's servant Dr. Maxwell A. Hagen.
The gospel is a witness
L'évangile est un témoignage
that God can save people.
que Dieu peut encore sauver des
The
gens.
gospel is the witness
La bonne nouvelle est un
that
témoignage
heaven is real
que lorsque vous lisez
and hell is real.
que l'enfer
The
n'est pas
gospel is a
réel.
witness.
His passion for ministry and soul winning has transformed many lives through the working of miracles, signs, and wonders.
The gospel is the proof
L'évangile est une preuve
of God's love for us.
de l'amour de Dieu pour
It
nous.
shall be preached.
Elle sera prêchée.
Tell somebody it shall be preached.
Dites à quelqu'un, elle sera prêchée.
Now, today's message.
Hello, welcome to MBS, and this is Wisdom. 1 Timothy chapter 4 and the verse 12. Don't let anyone look down on you because you are young, but set an example for the believers in speech, in conduct, in love, in faith, and in purity. I am here to encourage you this morning that don't let anyone look down on you because you are young. Don't let anyone look down on you because you are young. God is a God who loves us regardless of our age, regardless of how we look like, regardless of our nationality, the way we were brought up, either it was good or not. God is able to make all things work together for our good. He's able to turn our poor background into an excellent one. All we need to do is to stand strong and believe in Him, and also believe in the talents and the abilities that He has given to us. Your talent holds your gold in life. Your talent holds your honor in life. Don't let anyone look down on your talent. Don't let anyone look down on your personality. Don't let anyone look down on you because of your background. God is telling us by His word, we should be an example. So regardless of your age, even young people are encouraged to be an example to everyone. You are supposed to be an example to people in different walks of life. Example in speech, example in conduct, example in love and in faith and in purity. So everyone who looks at you must see a person who carries a great future. The way you talk should bring out the best in you. Do not go around messing up your life and making people feel that there is no hope for you. Even the way you speak must be an example of someone who is great. The Bible tells us that in our conduct, our attitude, it also involves the way we go about doing our things. Let us do it with confidence. Don't let us be timid, and let us allow things to look down on us or suppress us every day. As I'm talking to you, I know some of you are so tired of life and you feel nobody loves you, nobody cares about you, nobody even looks, on you for anything good. But I'm here to also announce to you again that is only a mirage. It's not real. It is something that the enemy is trying to use to suppress your abilities and your talents. This morning, don't let anyone look down on you. Rise up in good conduct. Rise up in your action. Whatever that your desires are, rise up and start it. Whatever that your vision is, rise up and start it. We all know that all over the world people are struggling, and we are in the final hours of the end times. We know that. But God is not going to let you down because He's coming soon. God is not going to cast you out because He's coming soon. No, He wants you to be an example of a true believer whose faith will bring out the best in him or in her. So this morning, rise up and avoid being a victim of people who look down on you. Of course, there are people who couldn't make it the way they were expecting, and therefore they will do everything possible to look down on you. They will do everything possible to speak negative on you and about anything that you are doing. They believe that nobody should be able to do it because they failed. But I'm here to encourage you. God is on your side. This morning, gather yourself up. Be courageous. Take a step of faith, and God will help every step that you take. So in your conduct, be an example. In love, be an example. In faith, be an example. And in purity, be be an example. You are young to be an example. A young person can be a mentor, can be an example, can open doors, can be a pace setter in different walks of life. I encourage you, stop looking down on yourself because your generation is looking up to you. May the Lord bless you. May the Lord equip you. And may every talent in your hands become great. May every work you've begun doing today expand. And may God cause helpers to come into your life so that you can also be helpers unto others. God bless you. Have a blessed day and keep listening to MBS on Metro FM 90.5. They'll be laughing at you. When will you have your own? Let me tell you something. Your own is in your ability to serve others. The Bible says, if you are faithful in that which belongs to another, you shall have your own. But if you are not faithful, you may never have your own. So today I encourage you. I know you have great dreams. I know you want to be famous. I know you want to be rich. You want to have your own houses and cars and beautiful, favors. It is true and it is possible. But I encourage you in the name of the Lord. All these desires you have are wrapped up in your ability to serve. Servants are always rewarded. And I encourage you as you serve, may God reward you this year and beyond. May you be discovered and may you be rewarded handsomely because you are a servant. God bless you and stay strong. Keep serving. Don't give up.
Holy words, long preserved.
Thank you for listening to Dominion Well. You can fellowship with us at the Dominion City, Yahima Chrome, every Sunday, 7 a.m. and 9 a.m. You can also call us on the numbers 020-7428-282 or 024-5729-707. God richly bless you. It is time to serve the Lord.
Nature